it's Noel here.
It's Paula.
And welcome to join this group. And right here we have provide you guys like lots of templates and a lot of material for you guys to share some of your favorite products that you have been using or purchased from us, and hopefully you can utilize all these materials and templates on your social media to share with your friends, because me and Paula have been doing the business or like the social sharing for quite some time, and we do earn a substantial income from it, and we hope like by using all the material that we provided for you guys, you can earn a side income, an extra income, or even an income that can replace your full-time job as well.
So Noel and I have actually put a lot of thought into it, which is why we've actually created the unit section, which is in your sidebar over there. And if you go into unit section, we have divided that into 5-6 units, which is a getting started step-by-step program, where in unit 1 is a welcome message, and you have templates, you have wall posts, you have before-after photos we provided for you to get started to post, and also to get more referrals for your posting.
So if you have any problem or questions, just feel free to contact me and Paula, and you can always like comment in the group as well, because we will always be there to support and give you suggestions and guidance.
So we are so excited for you. Here's to your success in 2020 and beyond. Take care, guys. See you very soon. Enjoy. Bye-bye.